Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Ricky's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this amazing and delicious pudding cake. So stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. In a small pot, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar and let the sugar melt till golden brown. When the sugar has completely melted, remove from the fire and let it cool completely. In another small pot, add 1 cup of milk, which is approximately to 250 milliliter. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar and a half a teaspoon of vanilla and stir a bit and let the milk boil till warm. In another separate bowl, add 2 eggs and mix them using a hand mixer. Then add the warm milk and mix well for about 30 seconds. Then we are going to make a chocolate cake. You will need 2 eggs. Separate the egg yolk and the egg white into different bowls. Then mix the egg white till white and stiff like this. Then afterwards you're going to mix the egg yolk. Mix the egg yolk for about 30 seconds and add 5 tablespoons of sugar and continue mixing, followed by 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and keep on mixing. And lastly, add a half a teaspoon of vanilla and mix everything till well combined. Using a sieve, add a quarter cup of wheat flour, which is approximately 250 grams. Then add a half a teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and sieve it into the egg mixture as you can see in the video. You'll first mix using a spatula or a spoon, then take a hand mixer and mix everything for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then lastly, add the egg white and mix till everything is well combined. Your mixture batter has to look like this and your batter is ready. It's high time to bake the pudding cake. You'll take the pot which has the caramel and add the pudding into the pot using a sieve. Then afterwards add the chocolate butter on top as you can see in the video. Then put the pudding in a preheated oven which has some water in it and bake it at 180 degrees for 40 minutes. And your cake pudding is ready. Let it cool completely before removing it from the pot. You will use a knife to remove any pudding or cake which has stick aside and take a plate and flip it slowly on the plates. And your pudding cake is ready. Put it in the fridge to get cold and enjoy your pudding cake. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make these amazing pudding, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.